Hello everybody, this is a quick start guide how to install MIMOSA Database. First you must type the www.mimosa.org for your browser's address field. Then create a new account and give your username and password. Select Standards and MIMOSA OSA-EAI. Select the newest version of OSA-EAI. Save the file. Then choose the file and click the right button. Choose Extract to here. Then choose the Start menu at the down left corner. Choose All Programs and then choose SQL Server 2014 Management Studio. Then click Connect. After that, choose the item at the top of the directory tree and right-click it. Choose New Database. Give the name you want to this database. Choose Open File. Choose Downloads. Choose D-CRIS. Choose D-Reference Data. Choose B-Populated Databases. Choose SQL Server. Choose the step 1, the first one, and click Open. Choose the database what you have created. And then choose Execute. Choose again Open File. Now choose step 2 and click Open. Add dash at the beginning of the lines 2638 and 2639. Choose Execute. Click again Open File. Now choose the step 3 and click Open. And then choose Execute. Click again Open File. Now choose step 4 and click Open. Add dash to the first line and press Enter at the beginning of the command Insert at the same line. Choose Execute. Choose the database what you have installed and right-click it. Click Refresh. Check that all the folders have been installed below the selected database. Now MIMOSA Database has been installed correctly to the SQL Server. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.